99% of people don't know these little tricks. 1. White vinegar plus dish soap. Super strong degreasing power. 2. White vinegar plus toothpaste. Cleans stainless steel scale to a shine. 3. White vinegar and alcohol to wipe refrigerator surfaces. Effective stain removal. 4. White vinegar and baking soda. Spray on tile gaps. All stains brushed away. 5. White vinegar, floral water, and laundry detergent. Pour into bathroom drains. Once a week. Removes odors. 6. Too much grease in the range hood oil box and hard to clean. Quick cleaning method. Add some dish soap, 20 grams of baking soda, add white vinegar. Then add 50-degree hot water. Shake back and forth a few times. Rinse with clean water, immediately clean. 7. My grandmother's ancestral secret. Put dirty towels in a basin, squeeze in toothpaste, a small spoon of salt, a cap of white vinegar, a cap of laundry detergent. Then add boiling water and stir well. Let it soak for 20 minutes. Look, all the bacteria and mites are out. Gently scrub. Clean as new. 8. Dirty gold and silver jewelry. Don't go to the jewelry store to clean it. Add toothpaste, salt, dish soap, and some white vinegar. Let them react fully. Take it out and wipe it clean with a cloth. Gold and silver jewelry will shine. 9. A spoon of baking soda. 2 drops of dish soap. Half a pound of white vinegar. Let it sit for 300 seconds. Then pour in hot water. Clean like this regularly. The kitchen drain will be very clean.